Wrap, pack, and protect your prized possessions with Hanna paper. Each box of 250 or 500 paper packing sheets provides your valuables much-needed protection from scuffs and scratches. Unlike other low-grade newsprint in the market that bleed and tear, Hanna paper uses only A-grade unprinted newsprint, keeping your fragile belongings safe and sound during travel. Each large sheet is strong, stain-free, and easy to peel. It's also thick and pliable, making it ideal for wrapping, crafting, and filling gaps in boxes. And because it comes in a box, even your paper packing sheets are guaranteed to be free from damage, easily accessible, and convenient to store, solving all your packing problems with a simple solution that you can afford: Hanna paper.